Good morning, students. Today we are going to read chapter 3, Fair Play. Half we read previous day. What was the chapter about? The chapter was about two friends, Juman and Algu. They were very good friends, but one day Juman's aunt handed over her case against Juman to Algu. And Algu, what decision Algu will take? Let's read the story today. We will complete the chapter today. 3 years ago, began Juman. My aunt transferred her property to me. This is the situation when Algu is the punch. Algu has to take decision against Juman and he says to Juman that he should speak in his favor. What Juman wants to speak in his defense. Then Juman starts speaking and he says, 3 years ago, began Juman, my aunt transferred her property to me. He says that before 3 years my aunt gave her property to me. I promised to support her as long as she lived, and I promised her that I will support her as long as she will alive. I have done all I could. There have been a couple of quarrels between my wife and her, but I cannot stop it. Juman says that I promised my aunt that I would support her for as long as she lived. But now there are few quarrels between my wife and her and I cannot stop it. Now my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance from me. This is not possible. That's all I have to say. Juman says now my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance from me. My aunt wants that I should give monthly rupees to my aunt, but I cannot give it. This is not possible. I only want to say this. Juman was cross-examined by Algu and others. Then Algu was the member of Panchayat and others members also. They cross-examined Juman, means they raised few questions from Juman and Juman replied that questions. Then Algu announced. Now Algu is going to give his decision and he said, we have gone into the matter carefully. In our opinion, Juman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance or else the property goes back to her. Algu was very good friend of Juman, but he didn't give the judgment in favor of Juman. He was the member of Panch and he declared the truth. Whatever he felt is right, he gave that decision and he said that we have gone into the matter carefully and in our opinion, Juman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance. Means Juman should give monthly rupees to his aunt. Otherwise, his aunt's property would be given back to her. Now the two friends were seldom seen together. The bond of friendship between them was broken. This decision made the two friends enemy. Now the two friends were seldom seen together, means they were rarely seen together. The bond of their friendship was broken. In fact, Juman was Algu's enemy and wanted his revenge. Now Juman wanted his revenge. Days passed and as ill luck would have it, Algu Chaudhary found himself in a tight spot. Days passed and what happened? One day, now the time was not good for Algu. Algu found himself in a very difficult situation. One of his fine pair of bullock died and he sold the other to Samju Sahu. He had two bullocks, a fine pair of bullocks means he had two bullocks, one of them died and he sold the other to Samju Sahu. Who was Samju Sahu? A cart driver of the village. The understanding was that Sahu would pay the price of the bullock in a month's time. It so happened that the bullock died within a month. So what happened? This was the deal that Samju Sahu will give the money within a month. But what happened? In that month only the bullock died and now Samju Sahu refused to give money to Algu. Several months after the bullock's death, Algu reminded Sahu of the money he hadn't yet paid. Now Bullock was also died, and after many months, Algu reminded Sahu that he had to give money to him. Sahu got very annoyed. Sahu got very angry. I cannot pay you a penny for the wretched beast. He said that I am not going to give you money for that unhealthy animal. He said that your bullock was unhealthy. He died within a month and I am not going to pay you money for it. He brought us nothing but ruin. He didn't bring anything for us. I have a bullock. And then Sahu is giving an opportunity. He is saying, I have a bullock. You can use it for a month and then return it to me. No money for the dead bullock, he said angrily. Means now Sahu denied to give money to Algu. Algu decided to refer the case to Panchayat. And now Algu decided that he would refer this case to Panchayat. For the second time in a few months, preparation